Today we're going to discuss about gloves, replacement parts, and everything that we offer here at Vapor Honing Technologies. Hey guys, this is John from Vapor Honing Technologies. Now before we get started, let's discuss about our lifetime warranty. All of our vapor honing and hydroblasting cabinets come with a lifetime warranty. Unfortunately, our sandblasters are not covered with the lifetime warranty just because of the aggressive material eats away all of the hoses and frosts the windows. Any replacement parts for sandblasters are going to be handled by a case-by-case basis. Our lifetime warranty covers all non-wear parts, which means anything electrical is covered. So your LED lights, your foot pedal controls, solenoids, and anything that is electrical, like in our electrical boxes, all of those are covered. Now your gloves and windows, nozzles, and everything else is a wear and tear item, meaning you'll have to spend some money to replace them. So first off, let's talk about gloves. Gloves, unsurprisingly, wear out the quickest. Occasionally we get tiny little holes in the gloves, or the UV rays sometimes dries the gloves, causing them to crack. It takes about 6 to 8 months to wear them out. However, if you're like a hobbyist or you don't use the machine that often, the gloves typically can last a lot longer. So the gloves cost around $45 just to replace them. Secondly, let's talk about nozzles. We typically replace nozzles approximately once a year. However, that time frame depends on what abrasive you're using in the machine. Our tips are made out of boron carbide, so our nozzles are wear resistant. Now, depending on your machine, you'll either get a 8mm, 10mm, or a 12mm tip. You can contact our sales team and they'll determine a correct nozzle for your machine. Thirdly, let's talk about windows. You may need to replace your window every 10 to 12 months. Our windows are resilient to scratches and etching. Blasting the window, regardless of the media that you're using, will damage it. Also, heavy usage of the window wiper, if you're not properly window rinsing the window, can expedite the need to replace your window. Windows are around $75 and up just because of the size of the machine. So to recap, the lifetime warranty only covers non-wear items. So that means like the electrical bots, the LED lights, just anything that's electrical. It will not cover any wear and tear items. So if you have any more questions about the lifetime warranty or replacement parts when it comes to vapor honing and hydroblasting, you can contact us at 828-202-5563. We also have a website that talks about the lifetime warranty. That'll be www.vaporhoningtechnologies.com. If you like this video, you can consider subscribing, and we also have Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, where we post a ton of videos every day about hydroblasting, about vapor blasting, and about sandblasting. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.